I'm Dr. Chris, and I'm the author of the best-selling stretching book, Stretching for Fitness, Health, and Performance. And the big thing that I like to differentiate my stretches from other people's is that I have the super 6 rules to stretch. So you've got to make sure you hold the stretches for 30 seconds or until the muscle relaxes. You've always got to do both sides. You've got to breathe. You can't hold your breath. You can't bounce. You've got to be gentle. And again, you must do it on a regular basis, okay? So those are the rules with which you stretch by, and you do it every day. Every day I stretch in the shower, the warm shower in the morning, or outside when it's warmer. And you know what? That helps me stretch more effectively. So I spend about 20 minutes a day. And at 58, I can still bend over and put my palms on the floor. And that's what I want, you to be able to do as well as you age, because the same movements done each day don't allow your body to forget how to move like a young person, and you don't feel old, so you don't behave old and you don't get old the same way. I'm Dr. Chris, and have a great day.